Have you ever tried to upload a file only to find that your application keeps adding every single upload to the list? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to limit your uploads in Ant Design to just the latest file. I totally get it. You want to keep your upload list clean and manageable. It's annoying when every new file just gets piled on top of the old ones. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face this issue when working with file uploads. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I prevent multiple uploads from being appended to the upload list in Ant Design? They want to ensure that only the latest file is displayed. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So what's happening here? When you upload a file using Ant Design's upload component, it automatically appends each new file to the list. This is great for some cases, but not when you only want the latest file. Let's break down how to change this behavior. And don't go anywhere. I've got a simple code snippet at the end that will help you implement this change quickly and easily. To prevent the append behavior in the Ant Design upload component, the user should modify the onChange handler. This handler will be responsible for updating the state with only the latest file uploaded. Next, the user should ensure that the state is properly initialized. This means setting up a state variable to hold the file list, which will be updated each time a new file is uploaded. Now, the user needs to pass the updated file list to the upload component. This ensures that only the latest file is displayed in the upload list. Finally, the user should test the implementation. They can do this by uploading a file and confirming that the upload list only shows the most recent file. Here's a quick code example to illustrate this. You can use the following snippet in your handle file change function. Fun fact, did you know that the first file upload was done in the early 1990s? It was a simple process compared to what we have today, but it paved the way for all the complex functionalities we enjoy now. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that the multiple property in your upload component is not helpful for your goal. They suggest that while there's no direct way to show only the last upload, you can use the file list property to create a custom display that meets your needs. Now let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution from another user suggests setting the max count property to 1. This will ensure that only the latest file is kept, replacing any previous uploads. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always ensure your file upload logic is clear and concise. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. Now your upload list will only show the latest file. Remember, keeping your code clean and efficient is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more Ant Design challenges.